Class 5th Social Science Chapter 3 Major Landforms Part 2. In this video we will learn about plains and river valleys. Plains. See, this is a picture of a plain. As you can see, it is a flat land, not elevated or high. Plains. A plain is a flat or low-lying land surface. That means it is almost flat or very low-lying. It is not raised. Its height is hardly 200 meters. Okay. There is almost no difference in the altitude between the highest and the lowest point of a plain. So there is no difference, not much difference between the highest and the lowest point of the plain. Okay, there is, see, the lowest point as well as the highest point of the plain is almost similar. So it is not very high, it is almost flat. Okay. Plains are also called lowlands because these are not uplifted or raised. These are flatlands. So they are also called lowlands. Features of plains. Most of the plains in the world are formed by the deposition of sand and silt brought down by the rivers. See, most of the plains in the world, they have been formed by the deposition of sand and finer particles, silt and clay, which the river brings along with it. Okay, and deposit it on the plain area. Why? Because the slope is very much less in the plain area and the material it carries is large, so it has to deposit the material in the plain areas, and as a result these plains are formed. The northern plains of India, for example, have been formed by the rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Tributaries are the small rivers which join the main river. Okay, like there are 5 tributaries of river Indus: Ravi, Beas, Chenab, Jhelum and Satluj. Importance of plains. Plains have fertile soil, so they are thickly populated all over the world. See, plains have fertile soil. Why? Because most of the plains have been formed by the deposition of sand and silt or alluvium, which is very fertile. Okay, and so they are thickly populated. So population in the plains is more as compared to the mountains or plateaus. Why? Because the climate is favorable, land is level and water is available. Plains. Plains are suitable for constructing canals for irrigation facilities. See, plains are very much suitable for constructing the canals. Canals are built in order to irrigate the fields, and canals can be easily constructed in this plain area because the land is level and it is easy to construct the canals. Constructing roads and railway tracks is easy in the plains. See, it is also easy in the plain area to construct the roads and to lay down the railway tracks. Why? Because again the land is level, it is not rough or uneven or rocky. It is easy to construct the roads and railways. So transport facilities are well developed. Therefore, plains are suitable for setting up industries. See, industries basically what do they need? They need cheap labor, which is easily available in the plain area because the population is more. Then they also need better transport facility to transport the material, goods produced. So that is also well developed because roadways and railways are well developed in plain area, and also raw material needed is easily available. Now, river valleys. A river valley is a low lying area between the hills. See, between the hills, between two hills, there is a low lying area that is called a river valley. This river valley is formed due to flowing water. When water flows through the low lying area between the hills, river valley is formed, and it is usually V shaped or U shaped. Either it is V shaped or U shaped. Features of valley. A valley has a head where it begins in the hills. The part from where the valley begins in the hills is called its head. It has sides which rises up on the either sides. So it has sides. The sides of the valley rises up on either sides. The floor of the valley is where the valley is flat. So the floor part of the valley is where it is flat. When river enters the flat land, the valley bottom becomes a plain. When river enters flat land, it deposits the sand and silt and the valley bottom becomes plain. Importance of river valley. River valley are rich source of fresh water. So they are very good source of fresh water because river water is fresh. They deposit the fine silt, which is the finer material brought down by the river, brought down by them along their banks and make the soil fertile. So the rivers, what they do, they deposit the fine particles, sediments called the silt, which is brought down by them along the banks of the river and which makes the soil fertile.